In this video, we will learn how to win fights in Fortnite. Winning fights in Fortnite requires a combination of skill, strategy and smart decision making. Some of the factors that help you take a good fight in Fortnite will be mastering your aim. Aim is one of the most crucial aspects when fighting in Fortnite, especially in zero build mode. If you can hit your shots consistently, you will win more fights. If you are on PC, external aim trainers like Kovacs, FPS Aim Trainer or Aim Labs can help sharpen your reflexes. You can also use aim training maps in a Fortnite Creative to practice with in-game mechanics. Some of the popular maps are Rider 464's Aim Training map and Tito's Aim Trainer. Also, adjusting your sensitivity setting can help you master a crispy aim. If you're on a keyboard and mouse, find a low to medium sensitivity that allows smooth tracking. If you're on controller, tweak your aim assist settings and stick sensitivity for optimal performance. Building is a key mechanics in Fortnite. If you play build mode, you need to master the basic and advanced structure making. Some of the structures are 90s, which is a rapidly building of two ramps and walls around to gain height. Box fighting, which is to learn 1x1 boxes for defense and quick edits to shoot opponents. Piece control, which is placing builds before your opponent does so you can control the fight. And tunneling, which is moving safely while being covered by builds to avoid getting hit. Positioning plays a huge role in whether you win or lose a fight. The higher your position, the better angle you can get on opponents. Whether you are in build mode or zero build, stay close to cover. If you must cross open terrain, crouch walk or use movement items. Also, choosing the right loadout can save a lot of fights. Like for close range fights, you can use Havoc pump shotgun, Maven shotgun, Twin mag SMG. For medium range fights, Red Eye assault rifle or Havoc suppressed AR can do the trick. Utility items like movement speed and healing items can help you in fight as well. Playing smartly and staying calm is also a crucial factor. If you get shot at, don't just start spamming builds. Instead, build defensively and plan your next move. If you are low on health or materials, disengage and heal before re-engaging, and look for sound cues. And finally, if you want to win fights on a regular basis, practicing regularly can be a crucial factor. So before going into a game, you can spend 10 to 15 minutes on warm-up like aim trainer, practice building and editing empty world. You can also do 1v1 against real player in 1v1 maps. You can also play arena modes. Arena modes puts you against skilled opponents, which can help improving in game. It also rewards you with better matchmaking as you progress into the game. So these are some tips which can help you get better at fighting in Fortnite, and you can enjoy the game as you wish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.